Cover a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Add 1 pound of hamburger to a bowl. Add in 2 eggs. Add in 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 ounce package of ranch seasoning. Now mix it all up. I use a cookie scoop to form the balls and then roll the balls so they're all round. 1 pound of hamburger made 27 1-inch meatballs. I'm going to pop them in a 350 oven for 20 minutes. And now we have gorgeous meatballs, 25 minutes prep to done. Toss them over noodles, rice, or eat them alone.